Yes, good morning student. We are going to study chapter first of class 12, relation. Which is relation? Relation is subset is equal to A cross B. A means it's any set of A and B means other set. And we write A and B are non-empty set. A and B are non-empty set means non-empty set means it is not is equal to 5. Is it not is equal to 5? 5 means it's a null condition. Null condition means it's empty. But this is a non-empty set, and non-empty set means it is not empty set. Okay? And we can say that in other words, relation is Cartesian product of A and B. Relation is Cartesian product of A and B. And we write, let's see, relation is equal to xy and two elements A and B, okay, and x related to any set of A and y belong to B means B is other set of B, and it's a relation, and A is one set and B is second set, but x y is related, x and y related. Why? Then it's a pair condition. Why? Then it's a pair condition. Okay, let's see example first. According to relation, then if A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, such that we made relation A is equal to AB and AB belong to A, means both are belong to A, but we will apply condition B is greater than is equal to A. Means we write B is greater than A and B is equal to A. Means we always greater than A and it's equal, but it's not less. Means it's a pair AB. AB means firstly we will take first element and is related to every element. Means first element of first means 1 1 and 1 1 we can write. Why? Then B is equal to A. And secondly, B is greater than A means all conditions will apply. Then 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 5. Yes, complete element. Yes, we take second element and related to all elements, but is not less than. Okay, but it's not less than means 3 4 5. Then 2 is related to 3 4 5 means 2 2 2 3 2 4 2 5. It's apply conditions. Okay, third, then 3 means we take third element and is related to 4 5, but is not less than 2 1. Why? Then B is greater than and B is equal to means 3 3 means it's a equal condition, and secondly B is greater than means 3 4 and 3 5, and 4 is and 5 same as means 4 4 5 4 5, and last 5 5. Okay, let's see other examples. Example number second, and if A is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 such that, but relation is different. Example first. Okay, then R is equal to AB, but R is equal to AB and B minus A is greater than A. We will apply condition B minus A is greater than A means B is greater than A. Why? Then B is positive and A is negative. Then B is greater than, B is always greater than A, and B is always greater than, and then we, let's see solution. Okay, then we have A is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 and first element is related to every element, second element, third, fourth, 5, every element we are using. Okay, then relation B, what? Then relation means firstly we will see what's a condition. What's a condition? Okay, then B minus A. B minus A means B is always positive and A is always negative. Means B is always greater, and B is always greater means B means second element. Pair of second element always greater. Okay, means 1 2 first element is related to every element with 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 5. Second element 2 3 2 4 2 5. Okay, and third element means 2 3 4 3 5, and last element 4 5, but 5 5 is not included. Why? Then it's not okay, means it's not is equal to. Okay, then B minus A means it's a relation. Okay, after that we will study different types of relation. How many types of relation? Then first, empty relation. Second, universal relation. And third, identity relation. Okay. Firstly, we will see first relation means empty relation. And what is a definition? Yes, it's a definition. Relation are defined on set A is empty relation. Means set of A on set A relation means empty relation, and we write R is equal to 5. 5 means empty, means null, means it's not related any element. Okay, let's see. Let, for example, let A is equal to 1 2 3 4. We have 4 elements of set A. 1 2 3 4, and we made a relation R is equal to AB, and AB belong to A, and A minus B is equal to 10. Means we apply condition A minus B is equal to 10. Means any one element is equal to 10, then it's related. What? Not is equal to 10, then it's not related. Okay, clear? Means we have 1 2 3 4 element. Okay, let's see. And A and B both belong to A, means it's belong to only A, and A means A and B 1 2 3 4. AB what? 1 2 3 4, and BB what? 1 2 3 4. It's a relation. Okay, let's see. Then 1 minus 1. Okay, A and B, and A means both are related to A. Both are related to A means every element is belong to A. Okay, means we write 1 minus 1, second 1 minus 2, third 1 minus 3, 1 minus 4. Okay, secondly 2 minus 1, 2 minus, okay, second 2 minus 1, 2 minus 2, 2 minus 3, 2 minus 4, 2 minus 5. Continue. Then 3 minus 1, 3 minus 2, 3 minus 4, 3 minus 5. 4 minus 1, 4 minus 2, 4 minus 4, 4 minus 4. We write then does not given number 10. Means A minus B is equal to 10. It's a given, but is not is equal to 10. Then R is equal to 5, and 5 means empty set. Then R is an empty set. Okay. After that, we will see second relation, and second relation we what means universal relation, and universal relation are defined on set A is universal relation. But we write relation is equal to A cross A. A cross A means relation is related to itself. Okay, relation is related to itself means A cross A. Clear? Okay, let A is equal to 1 2. Okay, let we take 1 2. Then what's the relation? The relation be relation 1 1 1 2 means 1 1 1 2, 2 1 2 2, Why? Then it's related to A cross A. Okay? Means R is a universal relation. And third relation, it's a very simple relation, identity relation. Identity relation. And relation are defined on set A is called identity relation. What? We apply condition if R is equal to AB and A and B both are related to A, means both are belong to A, and A is equal to B, then we write its identity relation AA, means both are equal. A is equal to B means B is same, B is same as B same as A. Then AA means for all A belong to A. Every time A belong to A means both our element are same. Let's example. Let A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, and we made relation 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. Okay? 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. Why? Then we apply condition A is equal to B, and secondly, both are related to A, means what's relation? 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, and 4, 4. Okay?